I am not using my microphone today. I just realized after yesterday's video that I broke my old mic. So today we're micless. And I'm also using the old camera today, so you're gonna see a little difference in quality. It should be actually a little bit nicer, and I'm sure this wind is so loud for you guys, I'm sorry. I'm picking up a bumper for the S2000 today. The bumper is from C West and they are in Japan, but they actually house a couple of their products up in LA. We are currently in LA trying to pick it up from the warehouse so we don't have to wait and pay for that shipping from Japan. And what's new, we are lost. We cannot find where we are going. So Mickey is on the phone with someone from the shop trying to figure it out because we are completely lost. It sounds like the guy who works the warehouse here is not very fluent in English. So we're having kind of a language barrier with where to meet him and the address and how much money we should bring for totals and whatnot. But Mickey's moving, so I think he found it. Find it?
Oh, YouTube.
Yeah. Nice. Oh, baby. Yeah, the goods. So we have side skirts as well. Fuck, I guess we should just run the side skirts as well. I was debating getting the side skirts, but it's kind of hard to say no when it's sitting in front of your face.
And it's made for it. Those are the canards.
Wait, these are carbon?
Yep.
Damn.
They're supposed to be. I hope they are.
They might not be. I don't know. I can't really tell. So here you guys can kind of get a look at it now before we take it to the shop. Is that dry carbon? Mm-hmm. And before you guys try and roast me, Sabrina picked this, not me. She's working today, so I'm just picking it up for her car. That was a quick little pickup for you guys right now. Collection 2.5 is live, so if you haven't already checked it out, links are down below. There may still be some stuff left, but for me at the current time, it's tomorrow, so I still need to get back to the shop, go over everything, make sure we're prepared and ready because it launches first thing in the morning for us, and there's not a lot of time in the morning to get ready, so we need to do it today.
Usually have like a glossier finish on one side, and the back side is like this dry look. Yeah, see, you can kind of see what I'm talking about. See how it's like shiny on the top side?
Yeah, and then on the, oh, that's what I saw in the shop. I saw that, and I was
side
like, damn, it's still like dry finish.
Yeah, so that mounts against the bumper.
Yeah, it's gonna look really cool.
Which is cool because it has these nice flanges instead of like a lot of people just send you this with like a 90-degree bracket and you have to like put a rivet here and a rivet here into the bumper. This actually has a nice mounting flange made for their bumper. That's just one part of it. There's two, yeah, like a little air collector that mounts on the side and then the air gets caught in this channel.
Oh, I might need to pull in there, just get a little peek. A wild RX-7 in the flesh.
I don't see that very often. Ooh, and an FC.
Ooh, let's get one more. Ooh, baby.
I think he's a fanatic.
Ooh.
So FC.
Oh, and then we have an, whoa.
He's like eyeballing you right now.
Is he?
See the guy?
Oh shit. That guy is not liking that. Did you see that?
No.
He came out to the line and was like staring at us.
Yeah, I saw that.
Time to get a better look at these puppies. This is the C West N1 bumper, and this is only part of it. There's another piece that I ordered that won't be in today. They actually have to make it in Japan and then send it here, but I think they're gonna air freight it, so it shouldn't take too long for us to get. Time for the piece of resistance. It's beautiful. So the piece that I was talking about that I ordered that isn't quite in today is this air duct right here. I actually bought a modular piece. It's almost like a cover that you can put on and off right here. So if you want to run the air ducts for whatever that's supposed to be going to, I'm not quite sure. You can cover this up, and then if you want to open it, you can like take it on and off. I'm not too sure how it works or how it attaches, but that is an additional add-on that you can get for the bumper that I did purchase, but it's not in today. So look how far the front duct actually goes in. On both my Rocket Bunnies, neither of them do that. They pretty much stop short. It's an interesting feature that I noticed off the bat. I'm gonna drop this bumper off to get painted probably at the start of next week, considering today is Friday. So I'll probably drop this off at a paint shop on Monday, and I expect a pretty quick turnaround. Before I drop it off to get painted, I'm actually gonna pre-drill the holes for the canards. I'm gonna double check online to see where the exact fitment is, but one of them goes about here somehow, something like that.
See this little flange right here? It sits
Oh, it sits like flush on that curve.
And then the curve is just perfect.
Yeah,
right
so I'll drill those out.
The carbon against the blue paint was really good.
So this was a last minute decision on my end. I wasn't fully sold on these side skirts, but they had it in stock, so I'm really impulse buy. You guys should know that by now, so I said screw it, let's do it. So Sabrina doesn't actually know about these side skirts. I really hope that she'll like them. I'm gonna drop these off to get shot with some paint on Monday as well, and that will be a little additional surprise to the car as well as the front bumper. Hold it up for us, let us know how she looks.
CUS stuff usually fits pretty spot on. Fitment is really good on these parts.
Yeah, fitment's
so
great.
Once it's drilled and bolted.
I'm kind of new to this style of side skirts. It's weird to me, but I'm like learning to like it, if that makes sense. You can clearly see that it's an additional like layer on the body.
Yeah, but
and for me, like
even like something like this.
And I personally hate that.
Okay. I mean, this is a copy of a high-end. You didn't pick this, obviously, but that was in the car when you got it. That's a copy of, I think, a Veris or somebody's front lip. That's your thing, and I think it looks fine. I don't love it, but I guess I'm used to this style.
Since I got the front bumper and it's pretty aggressive in the front, the side skirts will flow with that front bumper and make it look pretty nice. So that was kind of my biggest push towards getting them. But I definitely think they're gonna grow on me. I like them right now. I don't love them, but I do like them. To give an idea of what the canards look like, we have the upper and the lower. And I actually like this design right here because normally I've just known canards to stick out perpendicular and create like a T, create like a pocket. This one literally just sits on the edge and just creates like a wall on the inside, which is pretty neat. I've never seen that, so I'm pretty hyped on that. Damn, dude, that thing is beast. How much was that?
$16 on Amazon. Can you show me to work this?
Damn, that's a good deal. For the drop tomorrow, which is today for you guys, I just restocked the site with some leftover stuff that we had. So there's a couple more stickers. I think there's some more sweatpants and a couple old sweatshirts from the last drop. So if you check the site, you're gonna see some extra stuff added on that, as well as the new stuff. Speaking of new stuff, once we finish washing these cars, I need to take a couple photos for the website because I still haven't updated any product shots for the new stuff, nor do I have anything for Instagram. And if yesterday you tried to join the Hunting Company Instagram live account, every time I try to go on live, Instagram crashes. So I'm not able to use it. I didn't mean to end it, but it kind of happened, and I'm sorry.
Making a comeback. Hype me up. Be my hype man.
Yeah, be his hype man, Kev.
Come on, hype me up. This is my concert, baby. Woo! Are you ready? Are you ready for Justin Willis? Not Korean. He's a reeling. Vietnamese. He don't like cheese. Lights. Kev, Jumba. Kev. Nick is a DILF, not a MILF, because he's a dad. Used to work for Falcon, works for TJ now, and he's got some packing to do. TJ has a drop tomorrow, and it's gonna do...
just dabs and exit.
Yeah. Oh, what? TJ! Oh! Mickey has a small dick and he uses it daily.
Oh!
Goes around the shop and he says, Dustin, please me.
Oh!
My balls, baby, Courtney doesn't do it easy. I have to ask her every day. I say, yo, bitch, that's easy. Oh! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Roasted! Roasted!
And I'm feeling